This is Tagalog TV Channel 15, DWCK TV 15, a commercial television station with 80 kW transmitting power, owned and operated by Montaño Media Incorporated with permit number BSD/1557/2025 REI, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission until December 31, 2030. Tagalog TV Channel 15 transmitter is located at 762 Corino Highway, San Bartolome, Novaliches, Quezon City. Tagalog TV Studio Complex is located at Reliance ST, Barangay Highway Hills, Mandaluyong City. Tagalog TV operates with a transmitter power of 75 kW. Tagalog TV is maintained by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission and Professional Regulations Commission. Arnel Acosta, 97, 1 PNCR, 2453. Leonel Cabida, 56, 1 PHL, 5367. Melvin Glenn, 74, 1 PNCR, 2559. Margarito Gabriel, ECE number 6778. Jose Agravante, ECE number 2555. Romaquito, ECE number 7839. Hernando Simanobo, ECE number 000423. Romulo C. Tataro Jr., ECE number 00339. Romeo T. Dayon, 941 PNCR 11441. Robert A. Espano, 2K 1 PHL 24096. Charlie O. Ubineta, 41 PNCR 2666. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classic Television Board. This is Tagalog TV Channel 15, your Tagalog Network. Now, signing off, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Idol.